Old MacDonald had a farm full of happy fuzzy charm.
E-I-E-I-O we sing. Listen to the sounds they bring. On his farm he had a cow. Let's all listen to it now. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, the cow says moo all day. In a very old MacDonald had a farm, kept all cozy, safe and warm. E-I-E-I-O we clap. Sitting on his farm he had a pig. It was round and very
Like
big.
and subscribe to Happy
Oink,
Nursery.
oink, with an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. The pig plays in the mud, a happy little pinkish spud. Old MacDonald had a farm, it would never do you harm. E-I-E-I-O, so fun. On his farm he had a duck, waddling with the best of luck. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there, the duck swims in the pond of this farm. Old MacDonald had a farm with a big and bright red barn. E-E-I-O with me, happy as we all can be.
On his farm he had a sheep, while the other animals sleep. With a baba here and a baba there, the sheep has wool so white, oh what a lovely happy sight.
With friends on the farm, big and small, we had a happy day with all. Listen, learn and sing.